Hi guys, it's Rachel with Rachel's Remedies, and today I want to talk about Halloween. It's coming up in a couple of weeks, and is anyone less excited than me? So this year, I finally have a little excitement about Halloween. Part of it is the unpopularity, the pressure, the whole candy thing. I love dressing up, I love costumes, but it's just all this candy pressure to buy bags and bags of candy to hand out to everybody in the neighborhood and who has the biggest chocolate bars. So this year I came up with an idea. I went to the dollar store and I found these 10 really cool things to hand out. The first thing, okay, I'll give the least cool thing first. These are little Halloween pencils, kind of dorky, but hey, everybody gets wax lips next to their Hershey's bars, so gotta have some pencils in there. The next item that I thought this was really cool, it's 3 bath bombs. There was 3 for $1 at the dollar store. You could wrap these in tissue. I am not gonna get creative on this. I might even take out my labeler and just say bath bomb and stick a sticker on there and put it in with a mix. But I like the idea of getting a little bath bomb in your Halloween basket. I thought that was cute. Love these. These were 4 bubbles for $1. Little Halloween bubbles, super cute. Hey, the teenagers may not like it, but they shouldn't be trick-or-treating anyway. Okay, so balls. I got 3 balls for $1. I thought these balls were kind of nice. Kind of fun. My dentist had this idea, different Band-Aids. You get 60 Band-Aids for $3, and cute little, you know, faces and stuff. This is cute. Always a winner of the party supply section at the dollar store. 8 of these necklaces for $1. Another party supply was 8 of these party blowouts. These are fun. The kids end up like blowing them in the car, and the parents are hating whoever gave their kids party blowouts. I know. Okay, so this was cute. These are little, it was 3 hand sanitizers for $1. So guys, for about $22, I got 10 items, 10 different items I can hand out. Now these, I kind of splurged on these. They had chapsticks 3 for $1, but I splurged for cookie dough and Mike and Ike chapsticks. Okay, so got the bath bombs, got the Band-Aids. All right, so that's cute, and it's gonna make a really colorful basket, a giveaway. I'm gonna take everything out and make a big basket, and it's gonna look like it has candy, but we know it doesn't. All right, so those are the 10 items you can get at the dollar store. If you're forward thinking this Halloween and you're thinking, I don't want to give away candy. The top cause of blindness, amputation, and kidney failure in the United States of America is, does anybody know? It's diabetes. So diabetes, we're all headed on a train to diabetes land. None of us wants to be amputated because of this disease. None of us wants our children to be amputated because of this disease. So now we're having to make good decisions for our children and for our neighbors' children. Okay, so my favorite top thing, and I will be giving this away every Halloween. If you come to my house, you get a free bottle of water. Yes, water. We had, one year we were at a tailgating Halloween, like trunk or treat thing. I had a giant 5-gallon thing of water with lots of ice in it, and I had little cups, and I put out camping chairs, and at the beginning of the night, all the kids circled the other trunks for the trunk or treat, and then at the end of the night, they were all sitting in our camping chairs gulping down the water because candy makes you dehydrated. So as the night goes on, you just get thirstier and thirstier. And so this is going to be my go-to. I love this item. These little bottles, a case of 50 bottles at Costco is $7.69. Totally cool. Totally worth it. This is gonna be my main giveaway this year. Those other little trinkets, I think the kids are gonna appreciate this at the end of the day. You always wanna give a gift that is not the lamest gift, not the greatest gift, but at the end of the night, everyone's like, oh, I'm so glad that this neighbor gave you this gift. So I hope this helps y'all. I hope this gets y'all a little bit more excited about the big candy holiday. I think it's important, the more people actually fill up their bowl with something besides candy, hop on board and try to make a difference in our children's futures, the better. The grandma part of me wants to hide under the couch and turn on all the lights and pretend like I don't exist in my house for one night, but I'm not a grandma. I have 5 children, and so I have to embrace this holiday for what it is, do the best with the tools that I have. We have the dollar store, guys, and we have coffee. Comment down below if you have a really cool Halloween idea for giveaways, like, subscribe, and I hope to see y'all next time. Thanks for coming. Bye.